If you want to turn your text into natural sounding voices, here's how you can convert text to speech using AI tools. Fast, easy and free. So first step is to choose text to speech AI tools. There are tons of options out there, but here's a few beginner friendly ones in which you can consider ElevenLabs for realistic voice, Play.hit or TTS Maker, which is free, or even Google Text to Speech for mobile. For this video, let's use ttsmaker.com. It's free and doesn't need sign up. For that, you have to open any browser on your device and go to ttsmaker.com. Once you are on website, you have to choose a language and voice style. For example, I want it in English and I want Jessica's voice, so I have selected it, and here you have to type captcha, and in that field you can input your script or any text you want to convert in voice, and then you can click convert and wait a few seconds and your mp3 file will be generated. You can click download mp3 to download it, and that's it. You have got a clean AI voice ready to use in your videos, presentations or content. If you want ultra realistic AI voices, you can always try ElevenLabs.io. It's great for storytelling, characters or YouTube narration. You can always purchase subscription if it's needed. And that's it. And that's how you can turn your text into speech using AI. If this helped, like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more tech videos like that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.